Neck brake, Gibson. Right, my wife's holding the guitar. It's a leg. Is that your leg there?
No.
No. Right. And I'm just. Oh, it's got hair on it.
It's a good job the camera's not.
I'm just going to inject. Going for some more. Just got to get this glue in there. Oops. More. Plenty of glue. Bit more. I want it oozing out of everywhere.
All over the floor.
Yeah, don't matter. I can clean that up. Don't do this in your front room because it's going to be a mess. So let's see where we're at. Right, I think we're there. That's enough glue. So I've got glue right in there. That's the main objective of what I just did. And I cleaned away the excess. Don't worry about that. Clean all this up later. Now I'm going to clamp it down. First clamp in. I'm going to do another clean before I put the second clamp on. Second clamp on. Going to do another clean. Want to make sure I try and keep the cavity clear where the nut is. Just keep that as clear as possible. Saves you hassles later. You can use a cotton bud to clean out the excess crap. Glue, sorry. Okay, it's all clamped up. We'll leave that for, I don't know, 24 hours perhaps. Probably don't have to leave it that long, but I'm going to leave it for some until this time tomorrow. And then I'm just going to clean it up. I don't know if I'm going to do a video about that, but I just thought I'd do this quick video to show you the, the tough part of it, of gluing back a headstock. That's all there is to it. I used Gorilla Glue, wood glue. Lots of people tell you not to use that or use something else. It's all bollocks. You can use what you like as long as it glues the wood properly. You can use it. So and it always works. I've done loads of these like that with that glue. Works fine. So there you go.